Hello, and for my private versus public speech presentation, I had the rapper Eminem. So, Eminem's background is he was born and raised in Detroit, and that is where he currently resides and where he has lived most of his life. He is Christian, however, he does not practice, although he kind of fluctuates in and out between the religion, although that's what he identifies as. And before his rap career, he worked as a food cook. So his family, this is his brother Nate, as well as his daughter Haley, that he had with his ex-wife Kim. And he's had a lot of family struggles throughout his time due to his popularity and musical career. So his affiliations, this is Dr. Dre, who signed Eminem to Interscope Records early in his career. That was able to market and make him extremely successful. So some of the awards that he won. So in 2000, he won the Best Hip Hop Act at the MTV Awards, and he actually won a Grammy for his album Slim Shady LP, and was also nominated and won for the Best Music Video. So some of his musical success, like I just mentioned, his first album, the Slim Shady LP, was extremely successful in 1999, and the next year in 2000 he released the Marshall Mathers LP, which was also extremely successful, and this helped perpetuate and skyrocket his career. So some of his family struggles and a lot of his earlier music in 1999 and 2000, he talks poorly about his family and a lot about his mother, and because of this, um, his mom filed a lawsuit against her son for $10 million. And however, because of the truth behind a lot of the things that he said, he ended up giving $25,000 settlement to his mom. So he reached number one in the UK in around 2000, but he wouldn't hit number one in the USA in 2002 with his famous track Without Me. So his downfall was that he hit a guy in a nightclub when he was there with his ex-wife. He had an unloaded pistol and he hit him over the head when he saw him kiss his ex-wife. And this made him extremely angry. So the penalty for this was 5 years. However, the case was dismissed because the gun was not loaded, and the jury in court determined that there was no immediate threat and that he wasn't going to, kill anyone. It was just he hit him over the head. However, he did have to submit to drug testing. So the effects of this were family struggles because he got divorced with his ex-wife Kim. It made it a difficult time to parent with his daughter Haley, as well as he could not travel. So because he couldn't travel, this kind of harmed his career in a way to where he could not promote his music and market it as the same way before. And this is where he fell into a period where he didn't put out and produce as much music as he usually did. That was my presentation on Eminem. Thank you.